Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will teach you how I track in the FIrstForm app, and I will be tracking the exact same meal plan that is right in front of you. Make sure that you modify your portions in case the app shows you more protein, more carbs, more fat. Make sure you adjust your portions accordingly in order to meet your personal macros. I hope this video helps you track a little bit easier. Leave a question in the comments below. This is what everybody has, right? Now, when you click dashboard, it says what you should be doing every day. You should be drinking your water. You should try to get some sleep. You should try to get 10,000 steps, and you should always hit your protein weekly basis. You're going to take your pictures every week, which is your assessment. You're going to weigh in. When you weigh in, I like you to weigh in every Wednesday and Friday. That way I can show you how you're eating. This is your daily nutrition. 1632. That is more like it because many of you have that same plan. So I'm going to do what you have. Okay? So I'm going to go to nutrition. Meal 1. Meal 1, I already have saved as my protein overnight oats, which is also meal 1 on everyone's meal 1 for breakfast. So I already have it saved as KR oats. Okay. So there's my oats. My protein, blueberries. I no longer have fake peanut butter, so I'm going to delete that. I swipe left. I'm going to add peanut butter. And I have one tablespoon. You see that? 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon. Save. X. Meal 2. Add. Meal 2 from the meal plan says 1 scoop of protein plus 100 grams of fruit. So I'm going to put in level caramel latte. 1 scoop is 150 calories. And then I'm going to do strawberries. Change from large to grams. And I'm going to change from 5 to 100. Done. Save. So I already had 726 calories, 57 grams of protein, and 81 grams of carbs. And that's only 9 o'clock in the morning. So you see I already ate 726 calories for meal 1 and meal 2. So that's how much you should be at by meal 2. Meal 2 is a snack. So my breakfast is at 7 o'clock with the kids. Then I take the kids to school. Then I come back. And then I have my shake. Well, okay. Meal 3, lunch. Meal 3, lunch, it says chicken with rice. So I'm going to go there and type KR chicken because I already have it saved. I've already scanned it. See, fresh chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. That's my chicken that I always eat. It's already in there, 110 calories, 19 grams of protein. You could see it's 4 ounces. 4 ounces. Then I'm going to add rice. So I'm going to do jasmine rice. I would normally scan it. Okay, I would normally scan it. So imagine I go beep, beep. So here, see, scan. Scan, I go beep, beep. Okay, so I'd scan. jasmine rice. And I said jasmine rice is half a cup cooked. Well, half a cup cooked, then I'll leave the cup and I'll go here and I'll put 0.5 because that's half a cup. Half a cup cooked. Save. And then it also says 2 cups of rice cauliflower plus add food. Add food. I already have this saved because I eat this every day. Rice, see, right at the top. Boom. 1 cup frozen. Well, I actually have 3 cups. So I'm going to change that to 3. Save. So now I'm at 998 calories, 84 grams of protein, 115 grams of carbs, 23 grams of fat, and I'm already at almost 1,000 calories by lunch. 1,000 calories by lunch. So let's keep going. Meal number 4. This is my snack before I get the kids. So it's snack time. My favorite time is 2 rice cakes. Ooh, yes. I've been waiting for you. So I'm going to type in KR. You cannot use KR. Every app is its own, whatever you save it. So here's my KR snack. Click. I'm going to have, the meal plan says 2. So I'm going to go in here, change that to 2. I wish I can have 12. Save. So that's 2 plus a tablespoon of nut butter. I got that. And it says I can have another 100 grams of strawberries. Yum. Plus add food. Strawberries. Not large, switch that to grams. Switch the 5 to 100. Save. Now, I'd like some peanut butter. I got peanut butter in there. Okay, so I got 2 rice cakes. I got peanut butter and I got strawberries. Awesome. So I'm already at 1194. I'm at 1,200 calories, so now I have 438 calories left for dinner, and I have extra protein. So before I go get the kids, I'm going to track my dinner, and I'm going to have salmon, since I prepped salmon on Sunday with you. So it's KR salmon. There we go. There's my salmon. I'm not going to have banana. It says to have tilapia, but I'm having salmon because you saw me cook salmon. So it says I have 18 grams. Okay, I'm going to fix that because it's not 3 ounces because I still have protein left over. So I'm going to make it 4 ounces. Oh, now that tells me it's wrong because when I'm reading my label on my packaging, the packaging says 230 calories. So I know that's wrong because it's not 148. My bag says 230. So this app is giving me an error. So I'm going to delete that because that's wrong. I'm going to do plus quick add. I know it's 240 actually it's 230 calories. I know it's 23 grams of protein. Actually, it's 25. If I'm remembering my bag correctly, it's 0 carbs. I know it's 18 grams of fat, and I know it's 0 fiber. And all that information came from the bag. Is giving me problems because you see, it's 230 calories. So I'm just going to fix the app. I was wrong. It was 15 grams of fat. 15 grams of fat, and it's 23 grams of protein. And it's 230 grams, 230 calories. Save. Okay. Okay, there we go. See, I'm glad that my eyes and my contacts are up to date. And so I caught that. You saw that? I caught that. I'm so good I caught it. Okay, well, let's see. I have carbs left over. Oh, I forgot to add the sweet potato, of course. So hit the plus. Sweet potato, another one of my favorites. Anytime I'm allowed to have carbs, I get really excited. Sometimes if I feel like it's my period or something, I'll switch to sweet potato for more rice cakes. Well, it's not a medium because I don't even know what a medium is. So I'm going to do ounces. And I'm going to do 3 ounces. Save 3 ounces. Oh, I have 9 carbs left. Oh, yes, I can have more. Oh, I can have more potato. Let's go back. 4 ounces. Now, mind you, you see, I'm creating my dinner, but it's 2 o'clock. So I'm creating my dinner in the app for when I come back from picking up my kids. That's going to be my dinner. So where am I at? Oh, I got some green check marks. I'm good on protein, 5 left, no big deal. I have 3 grams of carbs left, no big deal. I got some fat left. Wee-hoo, I'm really good. I got 76 calories left. Well, I could go crazy and start looking for more calories and play around with the app, but we're splitting hairs. I got green protein, I got green carbs, I got green on fat. That is really, really close. I mean, if I was anal, I'm going to say I'm not, but let's pretend I was. Usually I am. Since I have some fat left over, oh, you see, girls, you didn't catch it. I put some oil on that fish. Of course I did. I drizzled a tiny oil. How could you forget the oil, you sneaky sucker? That little thing is always sneaky. Sneaky bitch. Sneaky bitch. Okay, so I had like half a teaspoon because I know I had 2 salmons that you saw me make, and I put 1 teaspoon on both. You see, you guys are getting old like me. You didn't even notice what I forgot, and we all cooked the food together. Woo! Oh my God! Is that a check mark I see on the left-hand side? Wow! I hit all my macros. Well, what do you know? How did I do that? Wild! Wild! Wow! Did I just literally copy this entire meal and get my check marks? What the hell? Well, what do you know? I really do know what to do without struggling. It's all written there for me. Huh? What do you know? If you just follow the meal plan, you don't struggle and you get all green check marks. Wow. Thank you for watching. I hope that made sense. I hope that was easy for you. I hope you completely understand now what to do. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks again, and keep going with your 7-day challenge. Keep going. Whatever you do, don't quit.